Hello students, third chapter polynomials, fourth exercise before up to 4 problems. 3 problems completed, now fourth one. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2, minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Means they given quotient remainder. Quotient equal to x minus 2, remainder minus 2x plus 4. They want to find g of x. Means see this answer. Given p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and quotient q of x equal to x minus 2, remainder r of x equal to minus 2x plus 4 and divisor p of x, q of x, r of x they given, g of x equal to, we don't know, keep question mark, g of x want find divisor. Now we know that division algorithm, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, means dividend p of x equal to quotient q of x, divisor means g of x plus r of x. P of x means x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equal to q of x means x minus 2, g of x plus r of x minus 2x plus 4. This r of x send this side, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, total plus value send this side. Here minus 2x, it will change it to plus 2x plus 4 minus 4 equal to x minus 2 into g of x. Here do simplify this one, x cube minus 3x square, here 2x 1x plus 3x minus 4 plus 2, we get minus 2 equal to g of x into x minus 2. So we want g of x. Send this side, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. What is this? This one g of x. Means do divide this one. G of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Here x minus 2, first term observe x, here x cube, x with x square multiply, we get x cube, x square into x cube, x square into minus 2, minus 2x square. Here change the symbols here, x cube, here minus get cancel, minus 3x square plus 2x square, minus x square, next term plus 3x minus 2. Here again first term observe, minus x square, here x with minus x into x, minus x square, minus x into minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2 into x, 2x. Now here again change the symbols, subtraction always second term changing symbols. Here minus x square plus x square get cancelled, plus 3x minus 2x, we get x, next term minus 2, x minus 2. Here first term x, here also x with 1 multiply, plus 1 into x, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Now we get remainder is 0. Here remainder we get 0. So what is quotient? This is quotient. Quotient equal to x square minus x plus 1. Fifth question. Give examples of polynomials p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm. First one, degrees of p of x equal to degree of q of x. Like that, second, third, here they given p of x, g of x, q of x, r of x. Here degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. We know that according to the division algorithm, dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Dividend means p of x. P of x equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x. Here g of x is not equal to 0 and r of x equal to 0, or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. Degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. For that, p of x equal to k, or k times of q of x. Means here k is constant. K is a constant. Here k is constant. That means q of x equal to, for example, take any one polynomial 5x cube minus 3x square plus 7. For that, p of x equal to k into 5x cube minus 3x square plus 7. Here this total q of x, k into 5x cube minus 3x square plus 7. Second one, degree of q of x equal to degree of r of x. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. We know that. For that means p of x equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x, where here g of x is not equal to 0, r of x equal to 0. Means before one, like if p of x equal to, for example, x power 4 minus 7x cube plus 13x square minus 5, and g of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Here this difference observe here. For that, what is quotient? This is p of x, g of x. For the degree of quotient, we get 1. Means first degree. Quotient we get first degree. Here x cube, x power 4. For that, divide will get first degree quotient. And remainder also we get first degree. That means degree of q of x equal to 1, degree of r of x equal to 1. Third one, degree r of x equal to 0 they given. Degree r of x equal to 0. According to the division algorithm, we know that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means p of x equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x. For that, here where g of x is not equal to 0 and r of x equal to 0, or degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. Based on the conditions, we can take, therefore, if p of x equal to x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1, and same like g of x equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1. Means according to given conditions, remainder r of x equal to 0. For that, we taken p of x equal to x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1, and g of x equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now some important points. Fourth one, see here. A quadratic polynomial can have at most 2 zeros, and a cubic polynomial can have 3 zeros. Means depending on degree, we can find how many zeros. Means second degree polynomial have 2 zeros. Third degree polynomial have 3 zeros. Like fourth degree polynomial have 4 zeros. Zeros nothing but factors, 2 roots. Zeros nothing but 2 roots. For that, 2 zeros. Second degree is called quadratic polynomial. Third degree is called cubic polynomial. First degree is called linear polynomial. Fourth degree polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. Again listen. First degree polynomial is called linear polynomial. Second degree polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Third degree polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Fourth degree polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. And fifth degree polynomial. Sixth degree we call as sixth degree polynomial. Like that. Next one. Alpha, beta are two zeros of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Here a not equal to 0. Then sum of zeros, sum of roots, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Product of the zeros, c by a. These two formulas, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. For that they given three zeros. Alpha, beta, gamma are three zeros of cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a not equal to 0. Then sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. For that last one, alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. Alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. And next one, the division algorithm. So we know that division algorithm, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We know that p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. I hope you understand, children, here in this chapter polynomials. So about polynomials. Thank you for watching, students.